Ooh, this bitch is sick.
Everything nice.
Yeah.
So
It been nice.
Look at this instead of car. Like this just dumb. This the coupe.
This the AMG one?
Yeah, this the one.
Yeah.
This bitch dumb. All these fucking machines. Yeah, this the truck. Like look how that bitch sit, my nigga. That bitch.
About that. Plus, you know we got that free money to give away every day.
Every day. Be telling we on the way to the dealership. Foreign type shit, you know what I'm saying? We in that motherfucker, man. It been a little dirty and shit, but you know, we gotta get around the city. Shit fucked up, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, go steal the script. Don't forget, 4,000 on my wrist.
4,000 on the wrist.
How do y'all do that? How do you do that? Hold on.
Y'all let me know though, we got 2 panoramic roofs in this bitch.
I'm sorry, man. I don't know this shit. I'm hungry.
We're going to McDonald's, then, bitch.
Nobody want no fuck. Do I look like a McDonald's?
I asked you what the fuck you wanted.
Why are you doing too much? You know what? You can turn this bitch
Get
around
the fuck
and take
out.
me
Get the
home.
fuck out.
I never been that type of bitch. It never gave it. It never gave it.
That's why I'm fucking your best friend.
You doing what?
What you talking about? I ain't saying that.
You doing what?
What you talking about? I ain't saying that.
So, you fucking my nigga. Is you fucking my nigga? You fucking my nigga? Alright, bitch, you are a dumb. Stop playing with me. Stop fucking playing with me. Stop playing with me. Bitch, that's why you're a big little.
Bitch, hold on, bitch. I got something for you, bitch. Hold up.
Keep on sending it out.
Drinking a lean, I hurt my kidney. Woke up this Sunday morning, I'm repenting. Lost in my thoughts, the devil dancing with me.
Granny, she stressing, man. Tell her won't let the apples
Give me.
Karma struck to the
Why you
bone, so when
singing
I
it like
move, yeah,
that?
I can feel it.
I've been sinning, Lord.
Oh,
Like, why the fuck I keep on
Sinning,
sinning,
Lord.
oh.
Like, why the fuck I keep on sinning, Lord? Like, why the fuck I keep on sinning, Lord?
Oh. I'm trying to live it how I live. Isn't that a game up in this field? It's a shame your whole family gets you killed. Life a gamble is it is. Gotta set life for what it is. You can't stop it 207 in this field. Keep rolling. I'ma keep rolling on my own. Mama, I'm trying. Guess I'ma take chances till I'm gone. Keep rolling. I'ma keep rolling on my own. Mama, I'm trying. Oh shit, finna check you, Ryan.
I ain't know. What you got the stick for?
Finna fuck over something. Yeah, beat finna try to trade in the scat.
Let me leave.
Ooh, B.
Yeah,
B. Cold start, B. Ooh. Now why you gonna rev the fucking car ain't been cranked up for a whole week? You want the first thing you wanna come rev it, man.
Alright, 50 miles. We doing good.
Ooh,
B.
go on, get it. Got gas in this thing, bitch. Wee. Man, so that's how we was looking.
Yeah,
Look at that.
we was in that fucking clown movie.
That bitch so bad, bitch.
Don't stay your ass
bitch.
right there, bitch.
Man, that bitch got nerves, had a Mercedes sign lit up and everything. Ooh, feel good, like so much comfortable than that fucking car. Fuck out, straight up back hurt. Yeah, y'all.
Yeah, B.
Beef finna get them Benz, you know. We just looking today. We on the little Benz and Benz.
If it go good, I'm gonna get one.
Gonna get one.
I'm going in there looking.
We're looking right now, so you know what I'm saying.
Oh, B, look at these bitches.
B, they gonna 100 bands for them bitches. That's the ones Nisha got. Them electric bitches over there. You wanna look at them bitches first over there behind us? B don't know what he want. B came out here and seen it. B came out here and seen everything.
Let me go talk to him first.
Alright. Huh? Got some nice ass shit out here though. Look, the white bitch clean right here. Ooh, this bitch is sickest. Ooh, 125. God. Yeah. That bitch nice. Oh yeah, B. Ooh, B. Let them know B a hood nigga in them bin. Oh, B. Man, guess how much that white one is?
Like
$125.
Dog, them bitches high.
My nigga, look at that green one. Look at that dark green color.
That's the CLX that I'm talking about.
This one right here? Hey, but this bitch, he say they want $100 for this, son.
But do you know why though? Them bitches brand fucking new, son. It's 76.
Oh, 76?
No,
Nah,
97.
That's $100, son.
That's 100 with the red interior.
And that bitch just a V8, son.
Oh yeah, this
this
is
the V6.
V6, but this is 2023. So why them bitches so high?
So what the fuck that is?
That's a 2023.
Why that bitch sit different?
Yeah, this one bigger. This the 450. That's the 250.
But that bitch got the same.
It got the same everything. This one just bigger. This bitch nice, but nigga, damn.
Real talk, my nigga.
Bitch, we finna go get a truck out. We finna pay 100
That's what I'm
band.
saying. If I'm gonna pay 100
Man,
for
look
it,
at
I
this
might
shit.
look
This
at
bitch
that.
wrapped
I know,
already.
That bitch hard. That bitch got that a different sound too. That tint.
Oh yeah, that bitch come like that already.
That bitch hard. Now what that bitch is?
127. Shit,
Oh
B.
my god.
B.
Hey, blessing.
B, we finna go ahead and go get us a red eye, wide body fucking. I know they text for this green bitch, cause you don't even see this color.
Yeah. Oh, that color nice as a bitch, boy.
Look at the rims.
Nigga, look at that fucking thing.
B, that's a $150,000 car right there, B.
Nigga.
Oh, this bitch the sickest.
Look at this screen, nigga.
The interior.
Boy, that
Man, that look like a Tesla in there, bitch. My nigga, look at the L. Look how you turn the L. Oh shit, sign pulling up in that old bitch. I got it. Sign pulling up in that bitch, boy. That bitch nice right there. This the electric ones right here. Man, check out the grill, man. They said them bitches fast as a bitch too. I don't really like the look of these bitches. He said this bitch fast as a bitch. This electric though.
I mean, I'm just looking though. I'm trying to see how much they gonna get.
Man, on MGs?
I'm gonna look. Hey, but I'm
Should be down now. 117.
Nope.
This what we need right here, man. For the gang, bro. Tour, yeah. Game in the TV. Oh, them bitches 82. I think they'll be higher than that. I ain't lying. I think they'll be higher than that, though.
If I get up there, I'm gonna take the seats. I'm gonna put the seats like on the wall. Yeah, and then like put a TV in that bitch with a game or some shit.
Damn, the birds talk to us and everything around this bitch.
This the interior in this bitch.
This the one he showed us first. That's the CLS 450.
That's the bigger version of that, huh?
Yeah. That's the 250, CLS 250.
How much this bitch is? Too much. 100 something.
100.
Shit, boy, you got no. That bitch 97.
They gonna be 100.
Boy, you better get the fuck out of my face.
The yellow one, I don't care too much for that bit. That bit pressure right there.
Ain't worth 97. Nigga.
Yeah, it's not.
V8.
That bit not worth Mercedes.
They be taxing for
Mercedes do be taxed.
It ain't illegal, but yeah, we gotta take them bitches off. Take that shit. You tell to get this instead of car? Like this is dumb. This the coupe.
This the AMG?
Yeah, this the one.
Yeah.
This the dumb. Fucking serious. Yeah, this the truck. Like look how that bitch sit, my nigga. That bitch dumb, son. I feel.
Look at
They
the.
can pull up in these, you know they do that shit.
Oh yeah. Red seats.
Oh yeah, that bitch.
Hey, let's go to the whatchamacallit? Yeah. Let's go to Dodge. They got a red eye out there, that wide body.
What right now?
That white one. That dude them was looking at. Matt Balls. I mean shit. Man, I'll Dodge Dealership ain't got shit. They never had shit out here.
Come help us, nigga just looking at us, walk around, out the window.
Out the window.
Nigga just looking.
He just looking.
Ugly ass.
Ugly ass bitch. Fuck him. Pussy ass nigga.
Yeah, look at swole car.
Oh man. That's an RS. Oh, this is SS.
That's not gonna give him a drop.
25. Oh, that bitch ugly. I didn't even know they make drops.
Somebody come get them a car. How much this shit is?
I bet they gave him 5,000 for this fucking car.
I'm trying to tell you.
Knowing they ass. Oh, look at the new AT4. They got the brand new AT4 out here. That was my shit, boy. Oh no, them bitches ugly. Duramax diesel, what the fuck? Damn, the same material and everything. The screen different.
What that is?
The screen and shit different. You know, road in the truck I had like this, huh? Man, look at that old ugly ass Cadillac.
Alright, hello.
Hello. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me see you walking that thing. Oh yeah, B. That's all.
Hold on. Alright, like, get in, B.
Get in, B.
Come on, y'all, let's go.
Come on.
Back on the road.
Come on, back on the road, girl.
Man, this bitch got a. That's for life.
Man, look at the speakers up here.
Oh yeah, we got to get this.
What's up?
They got the drive. Look at the digital dance. That be hard. And then she play a tray right quick. I can't. We ain't got the keys.
Oh shit, yeah. You hear me?
Scat energy.
Yeah, you hear me? Some light shit.
Got the scat energy.
Yeah, man. Oh shit, that go Benz right there.
Oh wait, let me see how much they want.
Man, that's that bitch though. That's the one. That's the one we're looking at.
You might as well get the truck a bit cheaper here. You like a fucking swamp out here. Oh shit, B.
Oh, fuck, B.
Come on here.
Get diggly dirty with it, B.
That ain't the AMG one, but it's still clean.
B, I ain't.
That don't look like no Benz. They look like a BMW. Hey, if they fucking with you, oh, you know, hey, we gotta give it to the black dude. You said come here, the big flat.
The one I brought my car from?
Just like all I wanted. How much they want for it, brother? Oh, it's a full out.
This nigga done popped the
We
hood.
finna take the super truck. Dude, the only way is do, baby. Oh, that's probably what dude was over here. Oh, wait, no, dude. We pop
Nigga said no. Four-way no whole shit, man. Hurry up before the people come, bro. Ain't no motherfucking supercharged. Oh, that is supercharged. Ooh, that be ugly though. They need to take all this off.
It smell like, but this, no, it just smell like an old ass man.
Swear. It's an old ass man car. Put the ear to 5. Ear to 5. B over there.
How you do it?
How you do it? How much you putting in, B? Done, B?
Yeah.
That's all you do right there.
Hey, give me that. You gonna give me the 6.
Don't give him 6 miles. Look at that. Ooh, look at that camera quality.
I see that bitch, B. That bitch look clean on your shit.
See all the fog on that bitch. Hey, that woman finna get on your ass. She finna.
Nigger,
You
that's
fucking.
too fucking much.
You gonna come over here and beat the fuck out Ryan, drag Ryan. Hey, you can see Ryan. That hoe come over here and yanking on Ryan though.
She gonna take him out that bitch and get that bitch to her son. Take that bitch all the way home.
You not gonna do nothing to my brother.
You not gonna do nothing to my bro.
Let's see how much it costs to fill up, y'all. Oh, there's a truck. Oh, O'Neal. Y'all, we finna head to this little meet, man. Oh, tank. This shit don't last long, bro. If y'all want to skateboard, y'all better look. If y'all want to skate, y'all better be ready for these gas prices, cuz the gas, how much it costs to fill these bitches up, and how bad they burn gas. These bitches drink gas so bad, my nigga. That bitch burn so much gas, no cap, man. Y'all stay tuned.
I'm about to gap his ass.
Go gap him, bro.
Yeah. I'm pitching 20 and 22. My tire pressure low.
Come on, man. Come do. I don't want to be friends no more. That shit loud.
That shit too loud. I ain't gonna that shit was loud. Fuck. Down my ear.
God damn.
Yeah, for real. Dude got rings on tight, dude. But hey, unloosen that do-rag a little bit. That go ahead and get it now.
Put the stretches on my shoulders, threw the hood up on my back.